Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Jupiter in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies like me, you know how crucial it is to handle your assets securely and efficiently. Jupiter, a popular decentralized exchange on the Solana blockchain, makes withdrawing USDT straightforward, but we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you do it right. First things first, make sure you have a Jupiter account set up and your USDT ready in your wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log in to your Jupiter account. Open the Jupiter app or website and enter your credentials. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer in 2025's crypto world. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet section. Once logged in, look for the Wallet or Assets tab. Here, you'll see all your holdings, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Step 3. Choose the withdrawal option. You'll find a Withdraw or Send button next to your USDT balance. Tap or click that to proceed. Step 4. Enter the withdrawal details. This is where you input the amount you want to withdraw and the destination wallet address. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Review and confirm. Jupiter will show you a summary of your transaction, including any fees. In 2025, fees are super low on Solana, but still, verify everything. If you have 2FA enabled, you'll get a code to confirm. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. Once confirmed, your USDT should hit the destination wallet in minutes, thanks to Solana's blazing fast speeds. Keep an eye on your transaction status for peace of mind. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Jupiter in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto safe.